Is it time to buy or sell GameStop stock? In this video, we are diving deep into GameStop. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of October, 2024, our system has ranked GameStop as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.85. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 18% since we first recommended purchasing GameStop 12 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.5% per day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper region of a very wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakout above the upper trend line at $27.27 would indicate a stronger rate of increase. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 3.76% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 22.24% to positive 5.52%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 27.76% over the next year, with potential returns between negative 20.27% and positive 160.67%. This corresponds to a price range from $21.38 to $69.91 after a year. Our latest daily update for GameStop includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for GameStop. The GameStop stock price experienced a decline of 1.61% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, dropping from $27.26 to $26.82. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 8.62%, with a low of $24.95 and a high of $27.10. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, reflecting an overall rise of 18.25% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should ideally follow stock movement. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 7 million shares, resulting in a total of 18 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $492.25 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $64.83, while the lowest price was $9.95. Currently, the price stands 58.63%, or $38.01, below the 52-week high, and 94.45%, or $456.18, below the all-time high recorded on January 28, 2021, when the price peaked at $483. GameStop, the original meme stock, is experiencing a notable rally, buoyed by recent political developments. Following Donald Trump's election victory, GameStop shares have gained traction, with reports indicating a 5-day winning streak, the longest in 4 months. Such momentum can drive short-term interest and volatility, attracting both retail and institutional investors. CEO Ryan Cohen's optimism regarding the election outcome further enhances investor sentiment, reinforcing potential for the stock's continued growth. This uptick comes after a challenging period where shares traded at a significant discount, offering opportunities for bargain hunters. The combination of a favorable market environment and GameStop's established position as a retail favorite suggests a heightened potential for price appreciation in the near term. Furthermore, GameStop's strategic shift towards trading cards, potentially transforming into a card shop chain, showcases its adaptability and intention to leverage its strong balance sheet. With over $4 billion in cash and minimal debt, the company is well positioned to explore new revenue streams. This could bolster long-term growth as it taps into synergies between trading cards and its core gaming business, fostering greater customer engagement. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 17th of May, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned GameStop a rating of underperform with a hold action. On Monday, the 25th of March, 2024, Wedbush reiterated a rating of underperform for GameStop with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of September, 2022, Raymond James provided a neutral rating for GameStop, also with a hold action. On Thursday, the 18th of August, 2022, Wedbush issued a rating of underperform with a downgrade action for GameStop. On Friday, the 22nd of July, 2022, Wedbush assigned GameStop a rating of underperform along with a hold action. Analysts have provided GameStop stock with a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered neutral. Regarding return on investment, analysts have assigned the stock a sell rating. The following signals have been identified for GameStop. The GameStop stock displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $24.40 and $22.12. A decline below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which may influence the near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, November 11th, 2024, and thus far, it has decreased by 1.61%. Continued decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps to reduce overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 54 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for GameStop. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $23.92 and $21.85. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, GameStop finds support just below today's level at $23.92. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.85 and $20.64. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.15 between its high and low, representing an 8.62% change. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 7.88%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for GameStop, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 4th of December, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at -3 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can have a considerable impact on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for GameStop. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for GameStop is at $27.26. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, GameStop encounters its first support level at $23.92. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for GameStop from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of October, 2024, Moore Daniel William conducted an insider sale of 2,624 shares of Class A common stock. On the 10th of October, 2024, Robinson Mark Haymond executed an insider sale of 11,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 7th of October, 2024, Moore Daniel William conducted an insider sale of 2,376 shares of Class A common stock. On the 2nd of October 2024, Moore Daniel William executed another insider sale of 1,972 shares of Class A common stock. Also, on the 2nd of October 2024, Robinson Mark Haymond conducted an insider sale of 4,667 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 34.043. Overall, insiders purchased 991,389 shares and sold 2,237,924 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.76, reflecting a decrease of 3.97%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. The relative strength index over 14 days is 82, further amplifying that risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified just 1 day ago. Is GameStop stock a good buy? GameStop displays several positive indicators. However, we still do not consider these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate. At this time, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning to hold or accumulate while we await further developments. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 13th of November, we anticipate GameStop will open down by 530 cents and begin trading at $26.29. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.